Alright guys, this is a video to help you figure out what should be happening while you're doing your independent work so you know what's going on. So you'll be, first of all, when we meet in the morning, you'll go to Teams. Now this demo is from, if you have the app downloaded to your device. Now you will see Meet Now, and that's my little symbol with the bear, and so you know that I'm already meeting. If you go up to Meet right here and it says Meet Now, you're going to do your own meeting, and you're not going to be in with us. So you need to find where it says Meet Now, and you need to hit join when you see mine. So you're going to hit join, and I'm going to just turn off the video and the audio. So once you're in the meeting, I will teach you, and then I'll tell you to go do your independent work. So when you do that, you will hit hang up. And you will leave, but you need to keep this window open, and then you will go do your independent work. So I can click on Google Chrome, and I can get into my Office 365, and then I can find Smarty Ants by clicking on the apps, and I can play Smarty Ants. Now, as I'm playing Smarty Ants, my screen will look a little different than yours because I don't get to play the game. I get to look at all your stuff. As you're playing and you're doing your apps, if I need you back, I will call you. And as long as Microsoft Teams, this is open, then I will call you, and this will pop up with my symbol, and then you need to accept. And when you accept, you need to minimize, which is the yellow one, your window, and find Teams. Or you can click on Teams and it'll say join now. So when I join now, it will bring the fact that here is my symbol. I don't have my face showing right now. It will show, and we will talk, and then I will teach you something. When I send you off again, you will go back and hit hang up, leaving this window open. You can minimize. If you don't like that up, you can hit the yellow button and minimize. Go back to playing. If you had already played Smarty Ants, maybe because I have told you you get to go to iReady, you can go to iReady the next time. So you're playing iReady, and then after a bit, after I've taught everyone, or I've taught some people some things, you will get another call. So then you will accept. You can't see what happened, but you need to click on Teams because I'm calling you back, and then you can join now. All right? And when you join, you will see me right there, and I will tell you what's going on next. So that's how you figure out how to keep your window open if you've downloaded the app, and then you're able to play on videos. Sorry, not videos. You're able to play on and do all of your independent work. So hopefully this has been helpful to see how you're supposed to do this.